TeraFlex's Sierra cargo rack for the Ford Bronco is an amazing solution for maximizing storage in the Ford or Bronco's cargo area. The adjustable, rattle-free design makes it a must-have accessory for every Bronco owner. Molly panels are available and can be installed on the underside of the cargo rack. To locate the mounting brackets, measure up 9¼ inches from the plastic at the base of the pillar. Push the outer bracket onto the pillar and attach the inner bracket to it using the provided hardware. Make sure you tighten the hardware evenly and to the provided torque. The clamping strength is necessary to ensure the brackets won't shift while driving. Insert the spacers into the holes on the rack. Select the height setting you want to use. If installing on a soft top, the lowest height will allow you to open the soft top all the way without having to remove the rack. Set the rack into place and insert the bolts through the sleeves into the mounting bracket. Attach the flag nut from behind and tighten down the hardware. A tool is provided to tighten the bolts. Remember to install the drain plug. The provided tool can be stored on the side of the cargo rack.